Hey everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to set up our playground. If it's for your first time, then this is the right video. But if not, but just keep on watching. You're gonna learn something new on Xcode. Even though Xcode is not something which is new, it has been around for a long time, but it's just an update. So just follow along. As you can see, I've already created Xcode, but I'm going to start it from the beginning. So I'm just going to launch my. Just go to Window, welcome to Xcode, create a new playground, blank, next, create. Are you going to replace? I'm gonna say no. But for the first time when you are creating your playground, this pop-up menu will not show. So I'll just take cancel. You just have to continue, you click create and it will just create your playground for you. So I'm just gonna take cancel and cancel here and cancel here. So just go back to my normal playground where this is the one that I've been working. So you see there is when you scroll down below, this arrow is to give you enough space to work. But if you want to see your result, double click, you can stick your result here and you can see check it down here. So if you want to see it down here, you click this arrow, and if you want to see this line, you go to Xcode preference. This is where if you uncheck this box, or these numbers here will disappear. So you go to text editing, but if you check the box, this number will come back. So if the number is not there, then just go to Xcode preference and you just gonna do it. And then this other line, you have to hover your mouse there, you click, you hold, you see there's two names which appear there. You see automatic run and manual run. If you click, for example, manual, let me change let var a equals to, let me put the 7. You see nothing reads here until I click play because it is manual. But let me change it to automatic run. Let me just change this number here and put 10. You see immediately it changed automatic. I do not need to come down again and press this button. So always make sure you check this box. You just hover your mouse there, you hold it for a second, you appear there automatically run and manual run. So make sure you always take automatic, because automatic, whatever value you change here, if I change this one, for example, let me just put 19, it will just give you here 19 without you changing. This is 19, this is 10, var a equals to this, var c equals to this, then print a plus c. Just give you, if you have to change this one again, I'll just put here 134, we see have our 134 here, that add everything. So that is the beauty of automatic run. It just compile what you have written and give you the exact result. If it is error, it will show you an error. But if it is manual, let me say, for example, let me remove it from manual. Yeah, I've removed from manual. If I just remove this one, nothing show until I click play, and then we're gonna have our 13, our result. But if it was from automatic, we just have the answer automatic. So that's all for today about the playground. Thank you for watching. Love and share this video, and please do subscribe for more video about programming Xcode and Android. So thank you guys, see you.